What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about two very interesting stocks. One, a microcap, super small market cap, and one, a multi-billion-dollar company. Along with your market minutes, this is your daily recap. It's an interesting day, guys, after that, big debate. We're not going to get into that too much because I don't really talk politics on this channel, but it was an interesting event. And yeah, guys, so let's get straight into this video. And last but not least, before we dive into this video, guys, I wanted to say this morning we dropped an interview with the CEO of Madison Innovations. Really awesome interview talking about the company. We dropped the overview on Monday, as we went in depth into the company, what they do. And the psychedelic sector right now is a very interesting sector. It seems, every day there's a new company. It's reminded me of the MJ sector back in 2017, 2018. Hopefully it doesn't end the same. I feel like this sector has more potential, more real world applications, a longer time to market for sure, but I think that it's a whole new opportunity in and of itself. So anyways, let's dive straight into this video. And last but not least, if you do support me, the channel and all the videos, there's two things. You guys know the drill. The first thing is for you guys to kindly explode that like button. It takes 1 second of your time and it helps my videos so very much. Along with, if you are a new viewer to the channel, you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, but you like a steady flow of new and exciting companies, or you want to learn a little bit more about investing, then of course don't forget to catch that subscribe button and ring the market bell for notifications. And let's get this channel to 30,000. I know we're a little bit away still, but let's keep on going. So first thing I'm going to talk about in every single video is comment of the day. And in today's video, we're going to take a quick second to get your opinion on what you thought of last night's debate. I'm just kidding. We're not talking politics, but please drop me down below your #1 growth stock for the rest of the year. Go. Alright guys, we're back, and I hope that you dropped some very good stocks, because I will be taking a look at all of the stocks that you dropped there down below your #1 growth stocks, and I will be making more videos going more in depth on your favorite companies. So drop those comments and let's get straight into it. So first comment of the day, we got 49 comments. That was a pretty good turnout for just over 1,000 views. Over 10% of you smashed that like button, and quite a few of you guys dropped those comments, so I really appreciate that, and it helps my video so much. There's a political comment, but whatever, it's not my opinion. Next president, you mean when Trump is reelected? Otherwise, you better sell your position before the Civil War. Masonic Kid, another comment. Fortuna is definitely a strong stock, even with the small pullback. It's a buy in my book. So I'm a big fan of Fortuna. It's my biggest position in terms of exposure to silver. So it's nice to hear. Always in it for the long run. The last rise was just a bump start to what's coming before year's end. So silver is selling off a little bit today. We will be taking a look at that before we dive into those two stocks. And next comment of the day goes to Simon Fowler. I'm getting FOMO for Fosterville now. Should have gone earlier. Don't worry, my friend, Fosterville is down yet again today. Lowy, I added some Aryan and will probably add a little more before the upcoming spinouts. Also glad to hear elsewhere that Organigram is focusing on their bottom line, unlike ACB. And I really think that they should be focusing right now on competing in the, one could say, discount market. What it seems like is consumers are buying the products that are a good deal as opposed to the premium products. And that's where a lot of these MJ companies have been growing revenues. So for ACB to say they're focusing on higher margin products, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm a fan of, like, when I go onto the store, I look for deals, I'll be honest. And a lot of people, the reason why they weren't buying government stuff is because it was too expensive. The black market was cheaper. How do you compete with the black market? You offer better prices. You offer safer products. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Let me know your opinion if you want. Drop those comments. Troy Levy, you have any thoughts on Nevada exploration? Have to take a look at that one. I will in fact start to make a new list of stocks to watch from you guys, all the ones you recommend, all the ones that I will take a closer look at for you guys. So leaving them in the comments is very helpful. Ian, what's going on, man? Great video. Aaron Tapper Light, gotta love that ending. Metal Bum, I'm still a buyer, brother. Gold and silver too. Thanks for the updates. And Gemini Knight with a nice long comment. From information I gathered, there's a high probability there's a high probability for a bigger market crash in equity similar to March This year, they will drag everything with it, including gold and silver and mining stocks. I'm in cash now and exiting all positions that have any doubt in. Maybe only large cap mining producers will be gaining because of great earnings, lower cost, higher gold price. Maybe some 5 to 15% gains are on the table. And it's a possibility. You know, we've talked about, is a crash coming for so long? Is it coming? Do I think one's coming? I think we're going to see some volatility around the election depending on who gets elected. But we'll wait and see, guys. We're like a month away. So things could get very interesting this fall. So anyways, guys, it's on to the rest of this video. And I want to bring up real quick, you know, if you are interested in the stocks that I buy or sell, my full portfolio, any trades I make, along with a weekly private video, a monthly report. Take a look at our full access insider group, just $10 a month and $100 a year. And I have recently put some content into the September section. So check it out. You can see all of the stuff that's available to you. Even if you join as a month-to-month member, you will have access to all of our content that I've ever posted in this group. So anyways, guys, let's get into the market recap first. And then we'll get into those two exciting growth stocks. So in terms of the Dow and the NASDAQ, up 1.5%, with the Dow up more than that, up 1.87%, almost 2%, riding high on stimulus hopes. So let's see what's going on. Dow surged Wednesday, driven by tech and consumer discretionary stocks on better than expected economic data and rising hopes. U.S. lawmakers can reach a deal on another stimulus package. So surprise, surprise. How are they going to get out of this? With more stimulus, of course. And that's pushing the markets higher. But surprisingly, it's not having much of an effect on gold, actually having a negative effect on silver. Gold's essentially flat. So don't really have many comments on the markets other than they are recovering and continuing to recover. And it's pretty interesting. The VIX is yet again down 2.59%. So volatility continues to drop. And this could also be another reason why gold is not really doing too much, because more money is going into the markets. Now gold is back below 1900, currently trading for $18.97, down $6 per ounce, trading right around 1900. So we'll see if it can consolidate around that level. Silver, on the other hand, getting hit much stronger than gold, but silver did have a much stronger rally than gold. So profit taking, potentially. Not getting any safe haven love today, and not getting any love from the investors who invest in silver due to the industrial aspect. But one commodity that we are seeing truck higher today is copper. And copper has been doing very well with the recovery, or expected recovery, in the economy. And this is one commodity that I definitely want to put a little bit more emphasis on. Might want to take a look at some base metal miners over the next little while, adding some exposure to that potential recovery in your portfolio. So guys, let's see, last but not least, let's see what Kitco has to say about gold. And there were a lot of positive headlines for gold, clearly not having much of an effect. Gold price back below 1900 as US pending home sales beat expectations. Gold's back below 1900 an ounce, near daily lows, after the US pending home sales beat expectations in August, showing that more consumers are committed to buying a home with these low interest rates. So that was a negative. So that was a negative headline. I did want to point out one thing, that the dollar is in fact lower by just 0.08%, or 0.7 points on the DXY, still below 94, which is a good thing. Well, if you're long-term bullish on gold and silver. But also we got this headline from RBC. Wealth management traders are conserving cash as they digest the first debate. So volatility continues to dominate the markets as traders digest the U.S. presidential debate from Tuesday evening, says RBC Wealth Management Director. After debate, open interest gold futures, 562,000 contracts as sellers and buyers met. Silver 157,000, and silver to gold ratio 79.2. So that's actually increased from its low of just below 70. So you could say that gold has been catching a little bit more of a safe haven bid over the last little while, which kind of makes sense. But I wanted to point out two headlines on CNBC. UBC sees gold hitting 2,000 per ounce by year end, and UBC says gold, you should buy it now. And that is CNBC headline, so very important. Alrighty guys, it's time to get into these two growth stocks, and that first growth stock is a microcap. This was requested to me by a subscriber, and I said, you know what, I'll just take a look at it, see what they're all about. So feel free to offer your opinion in the comments. I'm going to give my unbiased opinion on this one, just as I want to talk about new companies. I want to bring, to your attention new companies that some of you guys are looking at, and I want to try and build this community to feel like you guys we can all discuss stocks together. So this is a tiny company, like I said, $6.91 million market cap with a 52-week range of 4.5 cents to 16.5 cents. Parcel Pal, anything you want delivered. Logistics simplified. Parcel Pal, scheduled delivery service tailored for your business. Scheduled same-day courier services with 24-hour notice. Our most basic service makes sure your packages are delivered before the end of the scheduled business day. Overnight courier next day service. Our next day service ensures your package is delivered the next day, provided the order is placed by 4 p.m. Same day courier scheduled before 11 a.m. the day of delivery. Our most regular service delivered by 5 p.m. scheduled delivery before 11 a.m. the day of delivery. They've got a ton of services, and what I really think this company is trying to cater towards is people, small businesses, you could say. Also a lot of e-commerce, same day express courier 4-hour service. This is for all the rush, urgent, non-stop deliveries. The service makes your package priority, delivered within 4 hours from the time the order is placed. So we'll take a look at their investor presentation, but I feel like this service could gain some traction because people are more and more impatient these days. So hotshot door-to-door courier services are fastest and hottest service, picked up and delivered within 1 to 3 hours from the time the order is placed. And then of course e-commerce integration, increase your revenue and reach new markets with our cutting-edge e-commerce integration services. Start offering courier services to your customers. Parcel Pal helps you create an unmatched experience for customers. So guys, in this day and age of impatient people and e-commerce, this might be an interesting company. Now it's clearly, a very small company. These things carry a lot of risks, and their slogan is the Uber of things. So let's take a quick look at their value proposition and the market opportunity, and then it's on to the next company. So value proposition: ability to order anything, anywhere, end-to-end GPS tracking and dynamic ETA updates, one common user-friendly interface across all retailers on the platform, in-app customer service enabled, as well as in-app payment and tipping. Easily enable and demand delivery of their products to customers, increase customer reach and sales through Parcel Pal customer network, all-encompassing marketing platform with access to consumer data. So what are the market opportunities? 61% of shoppers want their order within 1 to 3 hours, which is true. This confirms people are very impatient. 56% of online orders, 56% of online customers expect same-day delivery or faster. I mean, everyone wants same-day delivery. That'd be awesome. 25% of customers willing to pay significant premiums for same-day or instant delivery, and 72% of retailers do not offer same-day delivery or faster. So one cool thing, partners with Shopify, Amazon, London Drugs, Good Food, Pure, Fed. So if you're interested in this company, take a further look. Once again, this is just my unbiased opinion. This is not a sponsored video. This is just me talking about new and exciting companies. And now, the second company we're taking a look at, and the company is called Fastly, and I got so many requests about this company. It's an over $8 billion market cap company. Very interesting company with a 52-week range of $10 to $117, currently trading for 95. That's FSLY on the NYSE. Let's see what they're all about. So Fastly is a real-time content delivery network company. The company provides services in the areas of delivery security, streaming media, e-commerce, and private content delivery network. With Fastly, the user can manage traffic spikes and mitigate security threats. Fastly works with Google Cloud Platform to extend the user's infrastructure and application logic for content delivery, back-end workload, infrastructure costs, and scalability. Fastly streaming media services offer global delivery of video content, whether it's live or video on demand. The company's edge cloud platform, designed from the ground up to be programmable and support agile software development. Its platform consists of key components, a programmable edge, and software-defined modern network. The programmable edge provides developers with real-time visibility and control, where they can write and deploy code to push application logic to the edge. So a very, internet-based content delivery network company. And it's crazy how there's a new breed of companies these days with the internet. The internet's created so many billion-dollar companies just like Fastly. So let's take a look and see what they're all about and try to understand it a little bit better, because I'll be honest, guys, I'm sure for some of you this might sound like, what do they actually do? Okay, they're a cloud company, they're security company, internet security, content delivery. What does this all mean? So content delivery with a powerful edge. Deliver faster, more powerful sites and applications on our secure, programmable Edge Cloud platform. Your business, your platform. Deliver the best online experiences possible with our Edge Cloud platform, built to strengthen your current teams and technology. We move data and applications closer to your users at the edge of the network to help your websites and apps perform faster, safer, and at global scale. So as we know, sometimes traffic spikes can cause major issues for websites. So let's see what they have to say about that. So peak traffic, peak performance. Present beautiful site and app experiences even during the busiest times, whether that's Black Friday, the championship game, or an unexpected viral moment. We help good companies do great things. So let's see who they've worked with. BuzzFeed, A&E, The Guardian. Business Insider has said, the special thing about Fastly is their engagement with their customers and understanding our problems and the domain we're trying to solve problems in. That's always come first rather than sign this contract. Last but not least, before we dive into this quick little presentation, unfortunately I couldn't find their investor presentation, but I did manage to find their featured presentation, which is Fastly plus Signal Sciences. Fastly signs a definitive agreement to acquire Signal Sciences. So let's see what this acquisition is all about. But let's just quickly go on their website. This is straight from their investor resources. It says, well, what is Fastly about? Sorry guys, I can't speak today. As the consumption of online content continues to grow globally, organizations must keep up with complex and ever-evolving end-user requirements. We help them surpass their end users' expectations by powering fast, secure, and scalable digital experiences with Fastly's Edge Cloud platform. Our customers are disrupting existing industries and creating new ones. Today, our platform handles hundreds of billions of internet requests per day. So let's get into their investor presentation, let's get into their most recent presentation and see what this is all about. So what is Signal Sciences? So Signal Sciences at a glance. This is a company they just acquired. 60 plus enterprise customers, 70% new to Fastly, 40,000 apps secured, over 80 plus net promoter score, 96% gross retention, 85% gross margins, and 29 million in ARR. So Fastly plus Signal Sciences, the financial highlights. This is all I'm going to read, and then that's pretty much it, guys. You can let me know what you think about Fastly. It is a very interesting company. More research is needed for sure, but they've done pretty amazing this year. Incremental revenue growth with enhanced product capabilities, target new customers and drive expansion in addition to significant cross-sell and upsell potential. Continue gross margin momentum. Security software strengthens gross margin expansion, accelerates achievement of long-term operating model, boosts go-to-market efficiency, customer-focused culture with strong recurring relationships, industry-leading retention and expansion rates, as we saw there, 96%. High-quality security engineer talent to accelerate edge computing. Shared developer-focused philosophy, guys. So Fastly has had a pretty tremendous run over the last year, as we can see by the looks of the stock. Just taking a quick look at the charts here. Around $75–80 look like a pretty nice level to take a look at Fastly, and we'll see if the stock can keep on running back into the double digits. Let's dive into the charts and the good stuff, and then that's it for the video. So guys, in terms of the MJ sector, we are seeing Sundial, Zenabis, and Tilray, three biggest gainers, with EGF, Theramid, Ianthus, and Ignite international brands. Three biggest losers, MindMed only down 3% today. It was down a little bit more earlier, and MindMed's trying to consolidate right now, in my opinion. So in terms of the other stocks, Brookfield having a nice day, up to $16 per share. Love to see it. Very happy with that run. Northwest Healthcare and RioCan also in the green. Enbridge, Savaria, and Canadian Utilities, three biggest losers. Gold and silver stocks. What's going on? Not too much green. Bonterra Resources, Bluestone, and Newmont, three biggest gainers. Silver, Elephant, Fosterville, and Kootenay Silver, three biggest losers on the day. So if you are still looking at Fosterville, it's trading just above $3 per share. So let's hope, fingers crossed, that thing can get back above 360, 370, and reverse that trend and head back on to $5. That's where I want it to be. Alibaba, Tencent, and AEY, three biggest gainers. Chinese stocks gaining back some of those losses. Now, stocks to watch for 2020. Beyond Meat hitting fresh 52-week highs yet again. But Brookfield Property Partners, JD.com, and Carnival are the three biggest gainers. Charlotte's Web, Kinross, and Enbridge, three biggest losers, guys. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you make your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.